Layn Tik Tok University. The question is, can you make money on Turo? Yes, you can. This is the tactic. There's many tactics, but it's one of them. Do your best when you select a daily rate. Go into the website and figure out how much you can actually earn, like per like the competition. So, for example, go online to the Turo website or Turo app and pretend you're a Turo guest and look for similar cars in your demographic and territory or township or city and see how much they're charging per day. Then you can pick those rates up. You could bring it down, bring it up. But what that does, it allows you to know what the market demand is and what the price that's acceptable. And then what you do essentially is you bring the price down and then bring it up. And then, for example, every time your car gets booked, maybe bring it up by like $3, and then it gets booked again, bring it up by another $3. And if it doesn't stop, keep putting the money up. If you start seeing that your bookings are slowing down, then bring it back down $3. So that's how you start testing the market, increasing the price so you're not stagnant but you're more dynamic, and you bring it back down so you move the wave pretty much. And that's how you make money on Turo. Like, subscribe, share, calling out.